Here is a successful run of a menu-driven program which has three choices. So the valid choices are 1, 2, and 3, with 3 being the one where you quit the program. Here is a test run of the same program with invalid choices. 6 is an invalid choice, -7 is an invalid choice, even 100 is an invalid choice. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the original program. The code I have here might seem a little overwhelming, but after I go over the functions implemented in this code, it will all make sense. First things first, we'll be creating global constants. For the menu, the options are 1, 2, and 3. So instead of using them as some magic numbers in your code, having them in the global constants makes sense. I will quickly scroll down to the part where the key functions of this program are written. First, we have a display menu function. Its task is to display the menu whenever and wherever you call it. The two other functions I have here just display the information about the courses CS21 and CS110. At the end of the program, I have a call to the main function. So let us go back to the main function and see what main logic is implemented. We created a variable option and assigned it with a value that is different from menu options. The program enters while loop only when the option variable is not equal to the quit option, which is the value 3. It is not, so it's going to enter the while loop for sure the first time. Then we are displaying the menu. The next step is to get the user input for a choice. Here is where we have to do input validation for the option entered by the user. Let us spend some time here understanding this compound Boolean expression. If the option holds a value -6, then all the conditions in this while loop clause are true, which are connected by AND operators. So it will be true, and the program enters this while loop where you're going to prompt the user again to input a valid choice. This loop will get executed indefinitely till a valid choice is entered. And let us see what happens when 2 is entered. This condition will be true. That condition will be true. But the condition option not equals to cs110_opt, which holds the value 2, will result in false. That will make the whole compound Boolean expression false, helping break out of this while loop. It will then pass through this if-elif block and eventually end up displaying CS110 course information. Now, as the option is not equal to quit_opt, which is 3, we enter this while loop again, prompting the user to enter choice. If the user enters 3, then this condition will be false. So we will not enter the while loop. Then none of these conditions are true as well. The program returns back to the while statement up above. As option is equal to quit_opt, which holds the value 3, the program breaks out of this while loop and finishes executing. You can use this as a backbone code structure for almost any menu-driven programs that you have to write in this course.